Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Today I'm doing the challenge that Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley puts out, and today is recycle. Y'all have heard me talk about recycling and pre-cycling and reusing and taking care of the environment, because that's how I was raised. My dad was recycling long before the 60s, but he was real big when plastic came out, having a fit about it because it would go into the environment. So today I'm going to do something different because you all know I love different. I cycle, today I'm recycling. Darren and I are standing on the Katy Trail. This is our home behind us. This is our front yard. It's smaller than our backyard. When I say I'm out mowing for 2 days, you can see why it takes 2 days. We love it here. Darren is so fit. I know a lot of you don't know this. He's 10 years younger than I am, and he tries to keep me young too. Actually, we love doing active things together. That's how we met. We are on the Katy Trail, standing on the bridge over 270.
Come on, Daisy, let's go.
Here he comes. Okay, I'm going to turn around and we're going to recycle back home. Seriously, get out and ride a bike. It's good for your mind, soul, and body. And if you don't want to go alone, take a doll. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.